Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on gestures. It should be on the third position, and again on the third position we've got the system navigation option, so let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. Currently we've got the 3-button navigation, of course. We've got the animation of how it works. So you can leave it if you want to. Unfortunately, it's not possible to customize it. So for example, reorder the buttons. But if you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on this option. And as you can see, the buttons will immediately disappear. Instead of that, we've got this line which will be responsible for example, getting back to the home screen. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on see how it works, so you will be able to go through the tutorial. If not, here you can see the animation. What's more, I will explain how to use the gestures. After tapping on the settings icon on the right, you will be able to change the back sensitivity, which simply means that if you will set it, for example, on low, then unfortunately we cannot see those areas. It simply means that by setting the high option, your device will enlarge the area which will be responsible for your swiping. So if you will set it on low, which will be quite useful whilst playing games, for example, then the area which will be responsible will be much lower. I will leave it like this. Let me tap on OK. And let me show you how the gestures work. So if you'd like to go back to the previous page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the right to the center of the screen. As you can see, we've got this arrow, we have to see it, or you can do it from the left, so it doesn't really matter from which side you will do it. And simply, if you will see this arrow, just release the finger, and as you can see, we just got back to the gestures. From the other side it works also. If you'd like to go back directly to the home page, you have to swipe your finger up fastly from the very bottom, just like that. And as you can see, we are on the home page, and in order to enter the recents, just swipe your finger up also, but this time do it gently and hold it somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see right here, we've got the recents. So actually this is it. This is how to set the gestures in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.